Okay, ladies, I know that, and actually gentlemen, I know you may have heard about the wonderful snail mask where they put real snails on your skin and they let them crawl around so they can leave all that beautiful serum all over for lifting, creating collagen. In Europe, they're doing it like crazy. $200 for one of those treatments. Well, we've got our snail mask, and I'm so excited to show you this mask today. And actually, we're going to put it on Lori. She came back to enjoy even more of our facial treatments.
Lori.
So we're going to start with this in just 1 minute. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we simply took the mask out of the package, and we're going to lay the mask onto Lori's face. And we're going to put this wonderful, wonderful red infused with all kinds of goodies. And again, we've got the serum from the snail. And we are going to allow this to stay on her skin for about 15 minutes. And what this snail mask is going to do is it's going to hydrate her skin unbelievable. And we're going to just take a little bit of this serum and put it up underneath the eyes. And guess what, folks? She's going to awaken with this beautifully hydrated skin. And if you notice, we have our little black OMG. Be back in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and take off the mask from Lori now. And it's a real simple process once again, and you can use the extra on your décolleté, maybe rub it on your, take it and put it on your arms, because there's a little bit of fluid left on this, or you just throw it away. It's that easy. Lori, what do you think?
That's amazing. I feel super hydrated. My skin's definitely rejuvenated. I feel completely different.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
Yay, we like to hear that.
Yeah.
That little snail came through once again. Have a great day.